Goo goo gaga. It's like, listen, I'm on here because I want, for the first time since I've been pregnant, I mean, I'm not even that far, but you know, I want to do this. It's a fetal doppler or whatever. I don't know if I'm saying it right because I don't know how to spell or pronounce. But anyway, it come with this. They said it's clear. Is it supposed to be clear? So anyway, it's funny, and you keep getting cookies from the damn refrigerator. Gavin, put a lock on that thing. Be buying stuff just to buy it, you know. Anybody like that? So anyway, so I gotta get my glasses fixed. My 3-year-old broke them, but they still look good, right? So the first thing you want to do is, anyway, so look, you do this like that, like so. Somebody pooped on my stomach. What? Then you get this and you turn it on like this. You hear that? That means it's working. All right, y'all, this is my first time doing this, so don't judge me, judge your mom. Okay, y'all, so you gotta work with me because I hate this. I just want to show y'all and show off. So where the baby at? Wow. Is she up here or down there? So why everybody think babies are always in the middle? They're really not. Like when they get big, then you know what I mean? But they really down here. So it say it got a full battery, but they lying to me because it just turned off out of nowhere. Just so y'all think I'm not lying. So when y'all see numbers in a heartbeat, that means, honestly, I don't fucking know. But okay, y'all, here we go. Y'all ready? Steady, go. All right, I'm about to start, guys. All right, here we go. Okay, now I'm not a professional, so bear with me. You might hear a lot of noise. You might hear, I don't know, my stomach growling because I'm so hungry. Okay, here we go. Let me start playing. Yo, my stomach just, yo. I got fart. All right, my daughter is the witness. So you see that? Oh my God, look. She's somewhere over here. What? You hear that? Yeah. You hear that? Yeah. Oh shit. Yo, I think I hear it. Hold on, y'all, look, listen. So make sure y'all go get y'all one because it's definitely worth it. And the older and bigger I get, the more accurate it's going to be. So yeah, I think I heard her heartbeat. I know I heard her heartbeat. And it just felt lovely. Okay? Cuckoo gaga.